Presidential ceiling fan. It's obviously a copy of the famed Casablanca Victorian, and it actually looks like the top housing was a Casablanca fan. Or something, because it has that gap. It's 4 blades, by the way.
We tested it with 5 earlier.
I did it with 5 because it already had the blades on, but this looks much better with 4. And
I agree.
Probably moves more air. And it looks cooler in every way. Also, we could take off from the bad blades. I think there might be more than one. I'm just gonna be on the floor so that we get there anyways. We each have a different angle.
Fast medium.
Do the 15 feet down. Yeah, that's definitely puts more air.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's definitely air moving back here. I would put it in the spinner motor hunter category.
Huh?
I would put it in the spinner motor hunter category.
This thing really does fly. I expected less out of this.
Here's the next fan on the docket.
I love this thing. I actually kind of want it. This would be a good master bedroom fan. It
Yas.
looks like a Victorian, and at that point, the only fan that won't be a Victorian in my fan installation plan would be the kitchen and the dining room. My brother's room, the Delft 2 is going to replace that Victorian white and polished brass. And then the
Your room's getting a brass Victorian at some point.
no, it's not.
Oh, you're keeping that one?
Well, I want to keep the slumber quiet until it dies. Maybe, I don't know. But it's starting to hum more.
Huh, that's not right.
Well, it's always been humming, but it's getting a bit louder. I know. Oh, this is a nice fan. I like the blades, too.
Very classy.
Yeah, I love those pretzel brackets. Of course, the original ones make it turn a lot better, but hey. Craftmade threw in their little touch. Thank you. Let's begin the video.
Not yet. I'm doing the full spin down because I work like that. It's almost done. Nah.
No.
Impatient much. Thank you for watching.